So here we are on site, getting ready to start cleaning up. It's almost like a hoarder house, abandoned house. We got some stuff already in the trailer. People helping today. Got a full barn of crap, tires and whatnot. Outside's not too bad. Let me show you inside. You're gonna love this. There's no power, so I'm not sure how well we're gonna video it. But now the house itself isn't too bad. It's not too much. I won't open the fridge yet. Just a bag over there. Crap here and there. This house itself isn't too bad. The basement, on the other hand, is not the greatest. They kept, they preferred keeping their garbage in the house instead of taking it to the front yard where they could get it hauled away every week for free. So let's see if I can turn my flashlight on here. Can't turn flashlight on because it's being used by the camera. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. There we go. Alright. This looks to be up to 4 feet deep of just garbage. It just keeps going. It's just everywhere. Old tools laying around. Garbage and garbage. Scrap. Garbage over there. All kinds of crap everywhere. It just keeps going like that for a while. So this is our project for today. I won't do a time lapse, but I will show you what it's like once we're done. We've probably got 2 good loads of garbage here for sure in the trailer. So I'll show you once we're all done cleaning up. Thanks. Alright, so update number 1. We can kind of see the back of the shed now, and as you can see, my 14-footer trailer is getting full already, and that's pretty much just garbage. There's nothing else in there right now. So it's been about an hour. No rats yet, but there is rat tunnels, rat excrement, and whatever else. So all right, I'll be back when it's empty. Alright, so we're getting there. We got 1 load ready to go. When I come back, I'll have my trailer sides back on, and we'll keep plowing at her. Alright, catch you later. So here we are so far. This took 3 hours, this alone. And I still left the cardboard there. Cardboard's more recycling. There's still lumber on the shelf. But the garbage is all gone. And not quite as much as yesterday, but it's a good load so far. All right, on to the next part. Chat you later. So here we are, another full load of garbage, this time out of the basement. Remember, this is a 14-footer, so she's pretty full. We're about ready to head to the dump. So I'll show you the progress that we got in the basement so far. There, buddy. Alright. Here's one of my guys, Joey. Good stuff, buddy.
This is all G&G stuff, basically.
Oh, fuck. Just leave the bin out there.
See what I mean?
Yeah, that's crazy. So if you guys remember here, it was like 4 feet high. It's pretty well all gone now. got pretty much all this cleaned out. So we got progress. We got another day to go. There's still a lot of C&D in here. If you come over here, there's some old tools, extension cords and crap. But under that, it's all old wood. Here, old wood and clothes. I'll take you around here. We still got a bunch of crap, more C&D piled here. But we're getting there. Another day we'll be done. Ouch. Watch your head. More crap and C&D laying around. And more useless old junk that they left behind. Just scrap weight to me. That's all it is. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So upstairs is pretty much done. All the rooms are now empty and swept. Yeah. Had to get rid of everything. Rats everywhere, rat turds everywhere. Now this is something we don't see every day, but we see it more often than you'd think. Toilet full of shit because they get the water turned off on them, and this is what they do. So I gotta take the nuts off the screws or the bolts on the bottom, put a bag over it, and haul it away. Yay! Alright. So just when we saw we were getting to the end of it,
Yep.
there's another room with more
Yep.
fucking garbage. The C&D. Nice. For fuck's sakes. Yeah. How's your guys' day going, huh? Alright, bye. Alright, so we're finally done. This is the last load. We found a room, hidden room full of garbage, so it took us an extra day. Here's the shed, totally empty. It's collapsing, but that's for another day. There was a lot of oil, tires behind here, that's all gone. You can see how she's leaning hard to the front. There wasn't much upstairs except for appliances, so that's all gone. Lots of paint, used oil and whatnot we have to separate and get rid of. Construction material. You've seen the downstairs, there wasn't much there. That's all got cleaned up in quick sweep. And we got rid of that toilet upstairs full of crap. I forgot to mention that. So here we are. That's all clean now right to the end. If you remember, there was garbage. Yeah, almost 4 feet at one spot. This is all cleaned out now. Ouch, just bumped my head again. I'm really bad for that. There's no power, so that made it even that much more difficult to clean up with flashlights and headlights. And you gotta watch your head because there's pipes everywhere, crap everywhere. That's all cleaned up here too. This is where the hidden room was. It had a big panel in front of it and you couldn't really tell there was a room there. And then here she is. This was full of garbage. Didn't even know it was there. Oh, but she's done now. off to the dump for last time and on to the next cleanup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like, leave a comment. I'd appreciate that. And we'll see you soon.